Asalamoalikum. Welcome back to my channel. This story is about a clever fox who invited a stork for dinner. Stork was very happy with this invitation. She reached Fox's home on time and knocked at the door with her long beak. The fox took her to the dinner table and served some soup in shallow bowls, both for them. But as the bowl was too shallow for the stork, she couldn't have soup at all. But the fox lit up her soup quickly. The stork was very angry and upset, but she didn't show her anger. She behaved politely. She wanted to teach a lesson to the fox. Then she invited Fox for a dinner. The next day, she served soup too, but at this time, stew served in narrow, tall vases. The stew drank the soup quickly from her vase, but the fox couldn't drink any of it because of his narrow and tall neck. The fox realized his mistake and went home famished. Hope you liked the video. Do like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.